Today I'm checking out this low profile oil drain pan that was sent to me so I could do the review. When you get it out of the box, we're going to see everything it comes with and get it all put together. And these are all the parts out of the box. You got the pump, all the wheels, casters, the handle, the hose inside there. It comes with all the hardware to get all this put together, and of course the manual that tells you how to do it. So I'm going to get this thing put together and we'll see how it works. It was actually really easy to assemble. I really like the wheels that are on it. These rear wheels have ball bearings. They roll really well, and the front wheels lock, and they keep not only from rolling, but they keep from turning too. Nice handle. It's got the little clip on it there to hold the hose and the extension cord that comes off of there for power. And then of course it's a nice huge low profile basin for you to put oil in. Now, I don't have an oil change that I need to do right now, but I am going to test this by putting water in it, and then we'll turn it on and see how well it pumps the water out. So just like if oil was coming out of your oil pan, draining down into this, it'll go right through this mesh. You could also lay your oil filter on this, flip it over, let it drain into the pan, all the way up to 20 gallons, which should cover pretty much any vehicle out there on the road. So now that it's got something in it, let's pump it out. All right, you just drained all the oil out of your vehicle, and you need to get this into another container. Either you pump this back into the original containers or maybe a 55-gallon drum, you know, whatever it is you store your oil in to dispose of it. So you would normally put this in the hole of something to fill up the container, but since this is water, I'm just going to leave it laying here, and we're going to go ahead and turn on the pump. And look how fast it pumps that out. Super fast. You'll drain 20 gallons really quick. And that's all you got to do. Get it all drained out. Maybe put a cover over it. I'm going to put a towel or something like that over it to keep too much junk from getting in there. But that's it. I'd put it up until the next time I need to use it. All right. Well, I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.